Welcome inside the Giraffe leather factory, where rare craftsmanship meets million-dollar luxury.
Every step inside is managed by trained professionals committed to precision and compliance. These million-dollar products begin their journey as raw giraffe hide. Now, let's step inside the factory to see how they are made. A controlled habitat replicates a natural jungle environment for regulated care. The tall acacia trees and shaded paddocks provide a natural setting. This allows us to monitor and care for multiple giraffes. The journey begins in the management and care wing. Here, giraffes remain calm in a welfare-focused setting. Automated feeding and hydration systems ensure consistent nourishment. The giraffes can hydrate at the clean water pool area. This automated process supports their health efficiently. Veterinary professionals conduct regular health monitoring. Advanced scanners provide non-invasive health assessments. All procedures follow ethical and regulated sourcing standards. Each animal passes through a structured live inspection phase. Only approved cases proceed further within the regulated chain. Thermal imaging systems analyze health indicators in real time. The warm colors show the animal's core body temperatures. This data helps detect health issues before they escalate, a vital tool for wildlife conservation. Specialists oversee every stage from a central control unit. No graphic processes are shown, maintaining ethical presentation standards. We ensure a clean, informative view of the factory operations. This approach highlights efficiency and safety. Join us as we explore further. Certified raw materials are received separately under documented compliance. Careful with the tension on these.
Feed's clear. Next batch incoming.
Solutions at optimal temp. Keep it steady. Looks good. On to finishing. The system monitors pH and flow for consistent quality. This ensures the giraffe hides are processed safely. Today, we reveal every step behind how giraffe leather is transformed into ultra-exclusive million-dollar luxury products. Initiating scan on batch GL. Scan successful. Batch confirmed and logged. System updated. Ready for next batch. Initiating giraffe hide pretreatment mix. Mixing complete. Formula ready for application. Let's sort these by thickness, texture, and grade. This one feels thick, good clarity. Definitely premium. Move it to the stack. Got it. These two are standard and lower. All right, let's check the pH levels on these giraffe hide batches. Batch 45 is at 4.2, right on target. Temperature is stable. Good. Swiping to check batch 47. All systems green. Preparation determines perfection. Every giraffe hide is treated with scientific precision to preserve its rare natural pattern. From raw giraffe hide to refined giraffe leather, this is where rare material transforms into extraordinary luxury. Initiating the giraffe leather custom formula. Adding yellow base, red for depth, blending now. Perfect match on the calibration, finalizing for giraffe leather is locked. Measurements confirmed, adding 15 kilos now. Understood, hides are ready. Agent dispensed, check the rotating. Rotation is steady, looks good. Okay, close it up. Color, texture, and protection, every giraffe leather sheet is perfected before it moves toward luxury product creation. To
Where innovation meets in craftsmanship, these premium giraffe leather sheet showcase nature's artistry on our design tables. A material of unparalleled luxury, ready for the next creation. On the left, the glossy giraffe leather reflects light intensely. On the right, the matte giraffe leather absorbs light for a subdued, sophisticated look. A closer look shows the matte finish's natural texture and depth.
edge is smoothing out nicely.
Yes, and the corner alignment is perfect.
Good, let's finish this section. Starting the inspection, feed looks good. Pattern consistency is good, no visible flaws.
Check the spots for uniformity.
Confirmed, this sheet is clear for release. Here, giraffe leather becomes more than material. It becomes a statement of prestige, craftsmanship, and million-dollar luxury. Starting the front buckle installation, alignment is perfect, securing now. Rivets are set, moving to the clasp.
Excellent. The hardware is secure.
Careful with these crates, leather inside. Approaching the dock now. From raw giraffe hide to million-dollar masterpieces. This is inside factory process, where rare material becomes global luxury. Only the finest giraffe leather creations pass our final inspection. At inside factory process, perfection is not optional, it is guaranteed.